I'm Tracy MacDonald, and I've been a Learning Experience Manager here at MindTools for nearly 10 years. One of my favourite projects was developed for Scottish Enterprise. It won the Gold Award for Blended Learning Programme of the Year at the Learning Technologies Award. And the purpose of this project was to help Scottish entrepreneurs grow their businesses by exporting products and services for the first time. To make sure that the programme fit around the needs of business owners, it took place entirely online, using a blend of e-learning, group workshops and one-to-one consultancy sessions. And to ensure the programme had a clear purpose and output, each element was designed to help them create and iterate an export plan, which is a strategy document that they could then use to unlock funding, speak to investors, plan activities with their teams, and so on. One of the great joys of this programme was the chance to work with Cash Reid from Scottish Enterprise. And as project lead, Cash is here to share the impact of the programme.
That's great. Thank you very much, Tracy. So first off, we'd just like to say it was a pleasure to work with you guys. It was a really fun project to be a part of and to deliver. So yeah, from a programme perspective, there's a couple of key takeaways for us, key benefits that have just been great for the organisation as a whole. The first one is being now a fully digital programme, we've managed to remove a few geographical blockers which previously hindered our operations slightly. So now we have businesses joining in from the workshops, whether they're in the Highlands or down in the borders, it doesn't really matter. We can have everybody together, and these businesses have a great chance to make different connections. Because we are now a digital-based program, we also have allowed clients the capability to have access to the content 24/7, 365, and they can access it through different devices as well, whether it be mobile, tablet, laptop, doesn't matter. And this was a significant step forward for us. And finally, and most importantly, many clients have come back and reported as part of their feedback that we have helped them to grow their businesses and crucially grow their understanding of exporting as well.